Need a break from the crowds on P&O Arvia? Try these 10 peaceful places we found that really made a difference. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like us, you love cruising, but sometimes all you want is a calm, quiet spot to unwind. Whether you're reading a book, enjoying a coffee, or just need a break from the buzz. Now, P&O Arvia can carry nearly 6,000 guests at full capacity, and that's a lot of people. But guess what? You can still find peace and quiet if you know where to look, that is. On our 2-week cruise in 2024, which was pretty busy as it was in a UK school holiday, we found 10 surprisingly peaceful spots, even on sea days. So today we're going to show you exactly where to find them. Number 1. The Promenade Deck. Now, experiences here can vary on this first one. We've heard from quite a few people who have said it was far too busy during their sailing, but on our cruise it was a surprisingly peaceful spot early in the morning. The views were stunning and the sound of the sea made it the perfect way to start the day. Now, of course, how quiet it is can depend on your sailing and time of day, but it is worth checking out, especially first thing in the morning or during port days when the ship's a little quieter overall. Number 2. The Sky Dome, but before 10 AM. The Sky Dome is one of the most popular areas on Arvia, and it can get really lively later in the day. But again, just speaking from our own trip and our own experience, we found it was really calm before 10 AM. Most passengers were still at breakfast or taking it slow, as we often managed to grab a lounger and enjoy a peaceful start to the day under the glass dome. That said, every cruise feels a bit different, so while this worked well for us, it might be a bit busier depending on your itinerary and sailing. Still, we do think it's a great one to try early in the day before the buzz really begins. Number 3. The Library. The Arvia Library is located on Deck 6, specifically by Anderson's Bar. It's not so much of a fully fledged library with a large selection of books, but a book swap shelf area. It may have some books available for borrowing, but it's more of a place to pick up books from other passengers. And during the day we found that Anderson's Bar was also a fairly quiet place to go if you just fancied a read. Number 4. The Crow's Nest. Now, this was our personal favourite quiet space on board. Located at the front of the ship on Deck 17, the Crow's Nest offered some great panoramic views. And because the bar didn't open until early evening on our cruise, it was nearly empty during the day. It was calm, bright, and just perfect for a quiet sit down with a book, a pack of cards, or just having a reflective moment at sea. Number 5. Sunset spots. Now, this one is more about timing than location. Around sunset, if you head to the sides or the back of the ship, away from the bars and the big screens, you'll usually find a peaceful spot to sit and watch the sun melt into the sea. And for some reason, everyone stays pretty quiet. It's just that kind of moment. Now, if you find this video helpful, just hit that subscribe button for more cruise information. Thank you. Number 6. Quiet corners in the main lounges before the show. Places like the Clubhouse or the Limelight Club get pretty busy in the evenings, but not necessarily in the late afternoon. Between about 4 and 6 PM, these venues are usually almost empty. We often found a comfy spot to enjoy a quiet drink or just relax. Number 7. Bar seating during the daytime. Don't forget that the bar's a little bit like the lounges during the day. Some of the bars are known for a bit of a nightlife, but during the day they're often peaceful little hideaways. The lighting is low, the aircon is on, and the vibe is super chilled. Easy to grab a drink, a sofa, and enjoy the quiet. Number 8. Lounges by the adult-only pool. Now, if you're looking to sunbathe in peace, why not try heading to the adult-only area? Although experiences may vary depending on the time of day and how busy the ship is, but for us, personally, it was one of the better places to grab a lounger and relax. It wasn't exactly empty, but it was always noticeably quieter than the main pool decks. No splashing, no shouting, just a more relaxing atmosphere and a great spot for a nap in the sun. Number 9. Back of the buffet area. Now here's a top tip for meal times. When you enter the Horizon buffet, keep walking all the way to the back. Even during busy periods, the rear seating area is often less crowded. And if you go off-peak, say mid-morning or mid-afternoon, it's almost silent. It's a great place to enjoy a second coffee or a late-night snack with minimal chatter. And number 10, midday screenings at the cinema. Yes, you heard that right, Arvia has a 3-screen cinema on board. Evenings are usually quite popular, but midday screenings were surprisingly quiet. We popped in around lunchtime a couple of times, and there were only a handful of people in there. It's a comfy air-conditioned break from the heat, and a nice chance to watch a film in peace. And the best bit is, it's all included in your cruise fare. So there you have it, 10 quieter spots on one of the busiest ships in the P&O fleet. Cruising doesn't always have to mean loud music, pool parties and busy corridors. With just a little exploring, you can find some calm corners that turn your trip into a real retreat. Whether it's an early walk on the promenade or a peaceful movie at the cinema, I'm sure there must be more quiet spots on board Arvia that we didn't find ourselves. So if you have any that we haven't mentioned, please drop them in the comments, as we'd love to hear them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Arvia tips. So until next time, thanks for watching and happy cruising.